Hey everybody, this is Hadassah back with another video, and this time this is the first part of my Black Friday haul. So I came home after work today and I found this package and I had no clue what it was. And I'm like, what is this? So I was like, I shouldn't have any of my Black Friday stuff yet. But then I remembered I actually ordered from Romwe on the 25th. I think that was about Tuesday. And my package is already here because, you know, everybody had their Black Friday stuff early. So I'm going to open these up so you guys can see what I got. Oops. I only got a little bit from this store because I haven't ordered from there before, so I wasn't sure about everything. Okay, so let's, oh my gosh, look at this. Y'all, I haven't even opened it yet. Do y'all see those gold buttons? Do y'all see that? Wow. Okay, so this comes in a like a zippered bag. So I'm gonna open this up and zip it. And this is a blouse, if I remember correctly. It has a little bit of tissue paper in there for some random reason. Wow. This is so pretty. I don't know if I can show you guys. Yeah, it's not far enough away. But it has, what I like about this is it has like the puffed sleeves on it, which are really in right now. And also, look at these gold buttons. That little detail. So this is like super cute. And this is called, let me see what it's called. Okay, puff sleeve with button cuffs, solid tee. I'll try to get the picture and insert it so you guys can see what it looks like because it is super cute. But now that I'm looking at it, it might be kind of a little bit see-through. I don't know if that's coming across on camera though, but with my lights I can a little bit. So I'll definitely have to wear something under it. So that's the first item. Next, I have, this is another zippered one. This one is actually for my sister. I got us the same shirt, so I'll open mine. You get a sneak peek of what it says before I open it up. Okay, this actually looks like it's kind of cropped, so this will be cute. Y'all, look at this. There we go. Thou shalt not try me, mood 24/7. That is so hilarious, but it's so true. You know, people try to try you. People have been trying to try me lately at work, but you know, I might wear this shirt on Friday. Thou shalt not try me, mood 24/7. I'll show this later. So yeah, that's called, it's just listed as slogan graphic tee. That's it. And then I think I have one more thing. Oh, the first shirt I showed came with an extra button. There we go. So the last item I have is another zippered thing. I'm not mad at this packaging. I'm really not. Everything is like in a zippered pouch. Okay, so this one also comes with like this with some tissue paper, so I'm just going to slide that out. So these are actually cycling shorts. That's what these are. And it says, let's see if I can get that up close for y'all. So it says catch flights on one leg and not feelings on the other one. I don't know if y'all heard that term. It's like catch flights. I catch flights, not feelings. So, which is especially funny since I'm married. So obviously I did catch feelings, but you know, that's another story. I'm still going to rock these cycling shorts, and they're going to be super duper cute. So yeah, that's it. All of the, oh wait, these are called slogan graphic cycling shorts, so that's very descriptive. So yeah, they have really cute clothes. It's more, you know, high street style type clothes, but they're awesome prices. So thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.